In this video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp group link. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Make sure you watch this video until the very end so you don't miss any step. Click on WhatsApp, click on the group. After clicking on the group, you want to click on the three dots at the top, this one here. Okay, now click on group info. After clicking on group info, you want to scroll down, and if you find this video helpful, you'll remember to like it and subscribe. Okay guys, then click down and click on. Now scroll down and click on invite via link. Then click on copy link. By doing this, you'll be able to copy the link and you can share with anybody. After copying this link like this, you can just come here and share the link in the WhatsApp group so anybody can see the link.